Welcome to Vegan Viking Kitchen. I am extremely excited for today's episode because we will be making one of my favoriteest things in the world, vegan cheddar cheese. I'm making it nice and sharp just the way I like it. That was probably the hardest thing for you, just like me, to give up before you turned vegan. Cheese. It wasn't fair. But now we don't have to give up cheese anymore because it's extremely easy to make at home and it is extremely delicious. Oh man, I can't even contain my excitement. Let's just get into the recipe, guys. Let's do this. Why aren't my clicks working? The ingredients with the exact amounts will be listed on my blog at veganvikingkitchen.com. So check that out to get the exact amounts. I have coconut oil, almond milk, tapioca starch, agar-agar powder, water, nutritional yeast flakes, salt, mustard, 1 charred spicy red pepper, turmeric, smoked paprika, garlic powder, toasted cashews, I think I said mustard already, apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of tamari mixed with half a bouillon cube of vegetable stock. Make sure that's vegan. We are going to add our cashews to an unnecessarily large pan. And be careful because these do burn easily. Just going to constantly mix them around for a few minutes. If you chose to include your spicy pepper in, just make sure you lightly char it. And there we have it. Should give us a nice smoky flavor. Before doing the agar-agar in the water, we're going to put those 2 ingredients aside and add everything else to our blender. Gonna pulse that for a few minutes until it gets nice and smooth. And we can adjust for salt. Look how nice and cheesy that looks. Wow, okay, that's perfect. I'm not changing it. You guys see that? At this point, it's nice and liquidy. Before we do the agar-agar mixture, since it hardens so quickly once we put it in the blender, prepare your containers now and grease them lightly. I use a little bit of olive oil for that extra nutty flavor on the outside. We're going to add our water and our agar-agar at the same time. Make sure it all gets out. And we're just going to mix that around. As after about 5 minutes, here is what the consistency looks like. It is gelling up and it is completely dissolved. Look at that. I'll show you what it looks like on the back of a spoon. Look at that. Very coating. Once we take this off the heat, like I said, it's going to firm immediately. So do this step as quickly as you can. You're going to pour it all into your blender, mix it until it's all well combined, then quickly pour it in your container before it sets in your blender. Put it right in. As quickly as possible. Okay, now we shall pour it into our containers quickly. If you see some clumping like that, do not worry, it will not affect your final product whatsoever once this sets in the fridge. We are a half hour into letting our cheese firm up in the fridge. Just want you to see how hard it is. Look, I press it, it doesn't indent or anything. And here is our final product. I don't have a proper cheese knife, so I apologize. And there we have it. A wonderful block of cheese. Nice and firm. Let's taste it. Mmm. Very sharp. Nice and salty, just like regular cheese. Very firm. Look at that. I'm putting a lot of pressure on that. I mean, I have big, strong hands. That's a lot of pressure. It's got the same mouthfeel as cheese. Mouthfeel. I hate that word. Come on. Just cut yourself a piece. I just tried shredding my cheese and it was very easy, and I got these successfully beautiful little strands of cheddar cheese. Look at that. If you guys want more recipes like this, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Vegan Viking Kitchen. And don't forget to check out my blog for more complete recipes at veganvikingkitchen.com. I'm gonna go eat this whole entire block of cheese. I will see you soon.